Hello everyone. Now this is one real case study for one DFL user in Malaysia. Now let's check this case. And this is a COM terminal. When we power on the drive, and we can get the following error messages. And if we use Ctrl Z, and we can try Ctrl L to read the hard drive ID information, but we get the port locked information. So for this kind of case, we need to enter the program and unlock the firmware error. Now we try to click the obtain details, but we failed. So at this time, we can try to read by the COM port the ID information, and it reports as SED knock. We click OK. That means by COM port, we still fail to read its ID information, so we use boot mode. Boot mode is to read the hard drive ID information from the ROM file. That means from the PCB. Still get failure, but we get the hard drive family information and the SN number from the ROM file. So we click OK to continue. For many Seagate F3 hard drives, it's very necessary to select the correct family information to read the ROM properly. So we need to learn how to get this ID information by ATM mode, COM mode, or boot mode. Now we have entered the program. Now we can see the hard drive is not detected. So at this time, we need to back up the ROM first. We can see that this one is very helpful because we use the SN number to name the ROM file and by COM without short. And here we need to select this one and use the LM to back up the ROM. Usually for this kind of pensioned Seagate drives, Rosewood, it's very easy to fix it with the DFL Seagate hard drive from repair tool. Now let's fix this one step by step. And this is one remote case study for the DFL user by TeamViewer. That means when the users cannot fix the cases, users can apply for one remote support, and Dolphin users will come to help the users fix the case. Now in the log window, we can find a ROM read OK, and the next step is to generate the unlock ROM. Okay, we select this original ROM. Here we need to select the parts to save this unlock ROM. Click Save. Click OK. And next we go to directory, write this unlock ROM. Please note the default parts just states the original ROM parts, and so we need to select the unlock ROM to change this file from the original ROM to unlock ROM. And we need to select a higher baud rate to write this unlock ROM. Click OK. Now unlock ROM has been written successfully. So next step, we need to power off and power on drive. Send on OK. Now we can try to Control Z and Control L. Now we can see the hard drive ID information has been detected properly. That means we have unlocked the firmware error successfully. So next we can exit this program, enter this program. Now we can see that after we unlock the drive successfully, the drive ID have been read properly. Now we can try to access to the data arrow and see if the data arrow is accessed or not. We simply click Start. Now we can see that the data arrow is accessed, and we can check the ending part. Because we have done nothing to this pension drive, the only thing we have done on this pension drive is to unlock the firmware error. Now let's check. So 39,000. Now we can see that this is one very easy case. Only after we unlock the firmware and the data arrow is accessed. So at this time, we just simply go to the DFL DDP data recovery tool. Select SATA 1. And click DDP. Now this is a DDP data recovery tool, and we can try to set up one new project for the file extraction directory, because when we are trying to access to the data arrow, we didn't find one LBA read arrow. That means this drive just have some simple logical firmware corruption. So we can access to the data arrow directory. We can try to extract the lost folders in the files directory. We can see that the DFL DDP data recovery tool has automatically listed all these lost folders and files, and users just simply click the wanted data, right click to recover selected file or save file to get all the lost data back. So this is very simple to use the DFL Seagate hard drive firmware repair tool and the DFL DDP data recovery tool to get lost data back. Thank you for watching this video.